I'm gonna do a little beach walk today, see if there's any sargassum, which is AKA red tide here. So I'm gonna start here in the center. Alright, so this is a portal, is what they call it, so. VagaBondVito. Today's like the hottest day ever. There's a pier that goes to Cozumel, so that way's east, that way south to Tulum. Yeah, none of the seaweed was actually here the other day, so I guess it's give or take every day. So I'm gonna walk down this way for a little bit, maybe take a little dip, and then I'll walk that way, which is north to Cancun, and hopefully I don't die from the heat. So let's do it. Yeah, usually they got teams of people cleaning this stuff up, but usually I come in the afternoon, so the morning, I guess you never know what you're gonna get. Now you know, my goal is to go down as far as I can, and I'm already getting toasted, so let's see how long I can last. And I'm gonna try to walk back the other way as far as I can too, to kind of give you guys a little peep of what it's all about. So, vamos!
Hey, all work, no pleasure. I ain't here to make friends, big stepper. Hey, bad guy, Heath Ledger. Ready for wherever, I'll be front and center. Don't fly too close to the sun, your body chopped up by propellers. Came in arrogant.
Alright, I gotta get in this water. I'm already getting torched out here, you know? Alright, this looks like a good spot to take a little dip, right? Water's clean and fresh. Yeah, there's like nobody here. Especially in the morning. I usually don't make it out too early, usually. But yeah, it's like 9:30 maybe, so just a little underwater shot, right? See how clear it is. These water bags are a must when you're hitting a beach town. Keep all your shit dry, you know, it floats, so you don't gotta leave it on the shore. You know, you don't want some punk kids running off with your stuff, you know what I mean? Seems like every time I come, the water keeps getting closer and closer to these buildings. I don't know what these people are gonna do if the ocean keeps expanding, you know what I mean? But I guess they know what they're doing. I think you guys get the point. I think I'm gonna head back the other way. That's where all the action is. Alright, abracadabra. Alright, I'm back to the other side of the pier. And by the way, these ferries to Cozumel, I think they're like 13, 15 bucks. Sometimes they'll get a gringo for like $20. But yeah, as you can see, this side is a lot cleaner. Yeah, so usually in the afternoons and the evenings, you know, this area is kind of bumping. You know, you got the beach clubs, you know, you got people twirling fire. You gotta watch your steps sometimes, you know? You don't wanna bust a toe when you're on vacation, you know? Got some fishermen. So this is Lido Beach Club. This place gets bumping pretty good. Yeah, this is where all the thugs hang out at nighttime, you know? Alright, I don't know what to do. I might have to go around. This looks a little sketch, so I don't know. I'm gonna go figure it out. Alright, looks like I gotta cut around, right? The tide was too high. I gotta walk around this resort. Alright, so I made it to the other side of the Wyndham. I was over there. And now I'm over here. Yeah, glad I didn't walk that. But anyway, I'm gonna cut over. And on the other side of this pier, which is another ferry to Cozumel, I think it's called Mamitas Beach. And it's pretty nice too. It's pretty tranquilo compared to the other side. So down this way, it's north. That's how you get to Cancun if you walk all the way down. So let's take a little peek. Alright, vamos. But if you don't hydrate out here, you'll be dead in 15 minutes. Yeah, they got in a couple nice beach clubs up here too. Alright, so I found myself a nice little breakfast spot here, you know. Pretty decent view. Got me Americano, some jugo de naranja. It's so damn good, you have no idea. But anyway, I think you get the point.
VagaBondVito.